in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Dunklin County in southeastern Missouri, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Bay, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Gwinnett and Caraway around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Richville around 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Manila around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gosnell, Hornersville, and Dale around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Joliet Store, Guilford, Dearman, Honey, Vale, Carmi, List, Buckeye, Luster, and Arkmo. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from